And just you note down, the time is 1441. We are creating the new project. Your college name, Sri Vidya Niketan Engineering College, SVEC. We'll keep the same name, SVEC. SVEC. We have created the project. We have shared this password. We have selected the Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Nagarjuna Sagar, or Vijayawada. Hyderabad seismic zone is 2 and seismic factor is 0.1. Similar way for Nagarjuna Sagar. And whereas for Vijayawada, it is seismic zone is 3 and 0.16. As Tirupati is not in this our drop down boxes, but we have provided you the map. From this map, you can verify where it is, in which zone it is. And accordingly, you have the choice to select the India, select the other state, other district, other cities, and you have the choice to select the seismic zone as per the seismic zone of India map. That means all the options are available. But whereas for our this demo purpose, we are considering Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, seismic zone 3, seismic factor 0.16. Now we'll select the building type, whether it is commercial, hotel, office, residential, or school. We are considering residential. And according to that, unit, meter, up to 13 floors. That means 40 meters height permitted. We are considering 3 floors. Variable height option available. We are selecting ground to first 3.5 meter height. And for rest of the floors, we are considering 3 meter height. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to terrace. As we have selected the residential building, according to that residential building, as per IS code 875, loads are selected, SIDLL and SILL. For terrace, as per IS 875, it should be 3. And for live load SILL, it should be minimum 1.5. But we are giving you the option, you can select more than this 1.5, but you are not supposed to select less than 1.5. So that we should comply the IS code 875 to make the structure as per the IS compliant. We are selecting the same loads. Similar way, for rest of the floors, we are considering 1.5 SIDL and 1.5 SILL. On beam loads from walls, external, we are considering 9-inch wall, including plaster, floor to floor height, and internal wall, 6-inch, including plaster, floor to floor height, to calculate the self weight, and accordingly, load will be transferred on the beam. And for pyramid, we are considering 9-inch height, 3 feet, that is 0.9 meter. Plinth height above ground level, you have the option. And foundation depth below ground level, that is variable. You have the number of options. But we are selecting 0.75. And soil type, we are considering the hard. That means only bearing capacity of soil, which we require from the geotechnical lab that we have to enter. We are selecting 300 kilonewtons per meter square. Grade of concrete M20 and grade of steel we are considering F145. And rest by default these values are there. We are designing limit state method based on IS 456 and IS code 1893 foundation as per the working stress method. Now I will show you three options available how to draw on the canvas for this project. Click here to upload the slab data. Slab data, they are nothing but this Excel format sheet. Is it visible? Slab number S1, X coordinate 0. Yeah, Y coordinate 0, X span 3, Y span 3, 6.5. That means 18 slabs are there in the tabular format. We will choose this file from our database. Here uploaded. Close the window. Next. As we have uploaded the slab data, whatever the data we enter, we have got this in this one form. We have selected residential building, unit meters, number of stories 3, below plinth and above ground level 6.6 and 0.75, that comes to 1.35. For ground to 1, 3.5 meter, and rest of the floor 3 meter height. Similar way, SIDL and SIL for terrace we have selected 3 and 1.5, and for rest of the floors 1.5 and 1.5. 0.23 external wall height, internal wall height 0.15, and parapet 0.23. For earthquake, we selected Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, seismic zone 3, seismic factor 0.16. Plinth height 0.6, 0.75, soil type hard, 300 bearing capacity. Concrete grade, main steel. That means whatever data we enter, we got the view. Well, now we'll finish it. If there is any discrepancy, you can edit the project. Otherwise, we can proceed. We'll select the first floor. All the data is converted. That means 18 slabs, which we have made in the tabular format, all they are converted in the graphic format. Another option is we'll select the floor 2. Just you click on anywhere on this canvas, sub-menu will appear on off canvas. Will on. Generally, to draw the square, we have to draw 4 lines. But in our case, to save the time, just you click and draw the diagonal. A square or rectangular will be drawn. And the data which we have to enter, you can enter in tabular format instead of Excel format. X coordinate 0, Y coordinate 0. Span in X direction, we will make it 3. And span in Y direction, we will make it 3.65. We'll draw the second slab. Just click, drag, X coordinate 3, Y coordinate 0. Span in X direction, we will make it 2.3 and in Y direction 3.65. Right? Two slabs we have created. We will create the third slab. X coordinate is 5.3, Y coordinate is 0. We want to change that. We will make it 1.15. X span, we will make it 3.3. And Y span, we will make it 4. It is dragged from this 0 to 1.15. We will create another slab. X coordinate 3, Y coordinate 3.65. X span, we will make it 2.3 and Y span we will select 1.5. We have created 4 slabs. We will make the mirror image. Select horizontal or vertical. We will select horizontal. Whether it is down or up, we will make up. Y coordinate, from where this mirror image should start. 5.15. Create image. That means this portion, this mirror image is created. Similar way, we will create the mirror image in the YY direction in the right side. We have to mention the from where to start. We will make it 8.6. Sorry. 8.6. Create. Created. We have started at 14.51. Now it is 14.41. Now it is 14.53. That means within 12 minutes, we have created the floor drawing. Two options are available. Either you can transfer the data from the Excel format to the graphic, or you can draw it on the canvas. Now what we will do? We will copy all the slab data to all the floors. We will copy it from the first floor. Floor 3, copy from first floor. Floor 2, even though they are drawn, we will copy again from the first floor. Delete data and continue. Previous data will be deleted and new data will be created. Now we will go to the ground floor. Copy from first. That means we have created slabs on all the floors. As our is the online basis, so periodically we have to refresh it so that the local host and server data should be matched. Slab, first floor, second floor, third floor, and terrace. That means on all the floors, slabs are created. Now we will go to the next menu, that is column. Again on the canvas, back, selecting the location, we'll click. We have the option from 0 to up to what floor? This column should be created. For demo purpose, we are doing from top to bottom, all the columns should be there. Rectangular in the XX direction, in a YY direction, second, similar way, rectangular in YY direction. For all the floors, we are creating the columns. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, on this location where beam is coming from all the direction, we will select the square column for demo purpose, but you have the choice as per the site situation, you can select the square. Rectangular at the corner. Rest we will select the rectangular in YY direction. We have created 18 columns, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. We have created 26 columns on all the floors. We'll off the canvas. Just we will verify whether columns are created properly or not. They are created on all the floors, 26 columns. Now comes the beam. This is the Fantastic which we have incorporated in the software. Auto beam generation. Now time is 14:59. We will create the auto beam generation for all the floors. Okay. By machine learning and automation, all the beams will be created within a 1 minute. $1,500. That means within 1 minute, we have created 43 beams per floor. We will zoom in. 43 beams for all the floors. If we multiply for 5 floors, roughly they come 215. 215 beams created within a 1 minute. And full modeling, we started at 1441, now it is 1501. That means within 20 minutes, we have created the new project. We did the modeling. Now rest, you have to request the analysis. You have to send the email address and phone number, send the request. From our side, we will activate the project